Hi grandmother, do you know how to become a freelancer? No? In this video, you will learn how to become a freelancer software developer and make money through it. After watching this video, you will learn how to become a software developer freelancer without a computer science degree, making $50 per hour, and the whole process of becoming a freelancer consists of just 5 easy steps. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Hello, what's up guys? I am Sajeel, a self-taught software developer, and this channel is called Sajeel Code channel, where people learn how to make a profitable and successful software development career. And this video is from the ongoing series of videos which is about making money as a software developer. So make sure you subscribe this channel and click the bell icon below so you don't miss any video from this series. So let's jump right into the 5 easy steps to become a freelancer software developer. The last 4 steps are too easy to do, but the first step is a little bit difficult for the beginner programmers who don't have any project. But if you have some project, then this step is already done by you. The first step is to create project, have some projects. You know, a computer science degree is necessary to prove that you are a good software developer. But in this case, you don't have a computer science degree, then what will you do? You should have some projects to prove that you are a good software developer. How many projects? Just 1 or 2 projects that are a very good project, big projects that can prove that you can create big software and can freelance very well. So what are the clients looking for? Clients are looking for the people who have computer science degrees, who have projects, or the people who have job experience. But most of viewers don't have a job experience. You also may not have job experience, so best thing to prove that you are a good software developer is the job experience. And the second thing is projects, and the last one is computer science degree. So the projects are better than degree to prove that you are a good software developer. But if you have a computer science degree, it can still not prove that you are a good software developer. Just you got a degree and you don't have a project to show that you have done some real work. So how much time 2 big projects take to be created? It is variable, but I think that they will usually take 6 months or so. Oh, 6 months are too much. I just want to freelance now and I have no time to do. I cannot wait for 6 months and create 2-3 projects. Hey buddy, understand, look. If you do a computer science degree, it will take 4 years. And if you create 1 to 2 big projects, it will take almost 6 months. Then which is better? So creating projects is so fast and it is more profitable. It proves that you have done some real life work. So that's why I recommend creating projects 1 or 2 in order to prove that you are a good freelancer. And the second step is to make a portfolio. People think that portfolio making is a quite difficult thing, but it's an easy thing to do. So what is a portfolio? A portfolio is a list, a collection of your projects or your qualifications, your education, the skills you have, and their brief description and details about them. Making a portfolio is not too difficult these days. You have different tools like Canva is being mostly used to create portfolios. So the portfolio can make or break your career as a freelancer, because clients are looking for good freelancers. In order to show yourself a good freelancer, you should be creating a good portfolio that describes your every skill, your every project, and your qualifications. If you have done a lot of work creating projects and qualification, and you have a lot of education about training about software development, but you don't define it in such a way that it should be defined to impress your client, you are not gonna be hired, because the client will think that you have not done those things in such a way that they should be done. Sometimes a client also needs a resume, so create a resume also. So what a portfolio does is that describe the client that you have done these things. The project you will make 1 to 2 projects, as I told you in the first step. You will describe both projects completely so client learns that you have created a really big project, a real life work. But if you don't have a portfolio, then I guarantee that you are not gonna be hired as a freelancer easily. So make one and then follow the other 3 steps. The first two steps were focused on proving that you are a good software developer and good for hiring as a freelancer. And these two steps, 3 and 4, are focused at finding a good client. So let's start from step number 3, which is attending meetups. What will you do in this step? You will go to attend meetups and go to attend events. Find the events around you where all the software developers near you are having a meetup. Go to the meetups around you. How can you find meetups? You can use different websites to track that what events and meetups are being conducted in the upcoming days around me. Most common website is meetup.com. That's a simple website that tells you that software development departments and other different software developer individuals are coming to a meetup, and if you are a software developer, you can also attend that meetup and meet other people. So how can it help you in freelancing? So I'll explain. You'll find more people while attending those events and meetups. You'll find more people, make more friends, know other people who are a software developer in your field doing the same things like you. You'll make good relations with them. So if you have a good relation with somebody, they might want to hire you as a freelancer if they have some projects or if they have some things to do. And if they really know that you are a good software developer, they would be recommending you to other people they know. For example, if you meet a person in a meetup around you and they have a friend which has 1 to 2 projects which he wants to be even to a freelancer, then he might recommend you to them because he knows that you are a good software developer. So that's how the meetups will be helping you grow your career as a freelancer. And if they recommend you to them, they might want to give you more money than the usual. Step number 4 is to freelance on the websites online. This is the most common, the easiest, and the most popular way of being a freelance developer or freelancing online. So how do you do that? Just go to some websites. You have a lot of options. A lot of websites are there for this purpose. For example, the most popular ones are Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Freelancer.com. These are the most popular ones these days. You will go to these websites and find their work and get freelanced and get money. After selecting a good website that suits you, go to that website and sign in as a freelancer. And just go and find the clients and projects you want to work with. If you liked some project, apply for that project that you want to be a freelancer and you want to freelance and work on it. Show that client your portfolio and your resume. Tell them your skills, and if they like your skills or training, they would hire you as a freelancer for that project. But if they don't think that you are good for that project, they won't hire you. That's how these websites work. In the upcoming videos, I'm also gonna make a video about tips to be hired as a freelancer, which increase your chances to be hired as a freelancer for some projects. So these 2 steps were about finding a client and project, and the last step, the 5th step, is about making money as a software developer. The 5th step is to work and get paid. I have a lot of tips for getting paid well. Just remember that you got a project and you should be working on it productively and efficiently. If you have other things to do, you got some projects but you have other things to do which get you distracted and you cannot work on those projects productively and efficiently, then it will ruin your career. Because after doing that project, you'll be going to do some other projects and go for other clients. They won't be hiring you based on your previous shitty testimonials and those projects which you have not worked well on. Moreover, the clients give you deadlines. You have to work under those deadlines. If they give you 3 days to work on a single project, you should be doing that work in just 3 days, not more than that. And if you do that work productively, efficiently, and complete that project under the deadline, you will get paid well. And another tip for getting paid is not to request too much amount in the very beginning. Start with low cost and then start increasing your money as you grow as a freelancer. And also don't forget to get testimonials from those clients so you can show new clients that you have worked on those projects. And when you become a successful, great freelancer, then start making money like $50 per hour or even $100 per hour as you wish. So let me know in the comments if you are going to do freelancing or you are going to do some projects Please let me know in the comments. I'll be reading your comments and replying to them. So best of luck for your career. If this video helped you anyway, then please give it a like and subscribe this channel for more videos. And if you are a too beginner, you want to become a software developer now, then click here on this video and you will learn how to become a software developer without needing a computer science degree. And click here to watch my next video from this series. I will meet you soon.